Okay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to this my YouTube channel. This is Maths Academy. Please, if you are new here, please kindly subscribe to this video, then like it. I'm very happy that you do that. Share it to your friends, your colleagues, your classmates, so that they can also benefit from this uh, class today. So let's look at what is before us today. We are considering differential equation. As we look at the word differential equation, what is differential equation? A differential equation is an equation involving an unknown function and its derivative, which describe the rate of change of the function. That is, what is differential equation again? I say a differential equation is an equation that involves the unknown function and its derivative. And this differential equation also do what? Describe the rate of change of function. So let's look at example of this differential equation. If you see example 1 here that I write here, example 1 of the differential equation, you see x equals to x times first derivative, which is divide the x, plus y equals to 0. This is this is our first example. S times the first derivative divide the x plus y equals to 0 is a differential equation. What makes it to be a differential equation? It is a differential equation because it have an unknown function, which is y. This y is our unknown function. You have an unknown function y, and then a derivative. This divide the x is a derivative, and this y is an unknown function. So that is why we say that a differential equation is an equation involving an unknown function and its derivative. This is the unknown function. Y is our unknown function, and we have a derivative here. So that is what makes this example 1 a differential equation. Look at it. Y is the unknown function. Y is the unknown function, and then y is also dependent variable. Y in this case is also a dependent variable. Also take note that this y is a dependent variable, and x is the independent variable. Why did we say that y is a dependent variable? Y is a dependent variable because its respect. Y is a dependent variable because in this case x is the independent variable because the derivative is respect to x. That's why x is the independent variable. We'll talk about that in the next video, the difference between dependent variable and independent variable. So let's move on. Let's look at another example of a differential equation. Number 2, let's look at another example of a differential equation. If we have something like number 2, let's look at another example of differential equation. Example 2. Example 2, if we have a second derivative with respect to a second derivative, then plus 5 times the first derivative plus 6y equals to 0. This is also a differential equation. Why did I say that this is a differential equation? This is also a differential equation because we have a derivative here. Because we say that a differential equation is an equation that have what? A derivative. The derivative can be a first derivative or second derivative. We have a derivative here, and we also have an unknown function, which is 6y. It's an unknown function. This y is an unknown function. Sorry, y is an unknown function. Let's explain it. Why it is a differential equation? It is a differential equation because we have a derivative, the y over the x. That's why it is a differential equation. Then it is also a differential equation because we have an unknown function, which is y. Y in this case is an unknown function. Why did you say that y is unknown function? Is unknown function. Why did you say that y is an unknown function? Y is an unknown function because if you check in all this term here, there is y here, there is y here, there is y here. This y now is the unknown function of this differential equation. And then x is our independent variable. Independent variable. Independent variable. I will explain that why x is an independent variable. But I have another video for this independent variable and then dependent variable. You need to watch it. You need to keep connecting to this channel, and then if you are not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to this channel because it's very helpful. Then x is a independent variable. Why did I say that x is an independent variable? X is an independent variable because x is an independent variable because the function is respect to x. We see x here. All the function is deal with only one term, which is x. This is x here, this is x. In case this x, we have the x square here and we have the t here. This is supposed to be not, this is supposed to be a partial differential equation. But in this case, we have the x square and we also have the x. So the function is respect to x. They are in the same term. That's why I say that x is a dependent variable. X is a dependent variable. So take note of this differential equation. Now, let's go to next video about types of differential equation. So if you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this my YouTube channel, like this video, and also keep connecting because I'm going to upload more of this differential equation and many about pure and applied mathematics. So I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you and me can work together and get the best. Thank you very much. I love you all.